Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your streams on Twitch. So doing this will save a recording of your stream to your Twitch channel so that it can be viewed by your viewers after you're no longer online. Now, keep in mind, by default, these streams will only be kept for 14 days, but at the end of the video, I'll show you a way to make them permanent. All right, so to save our streams on Twitch, we need to get into the settings of Twitch, and we do that by first going to twitch.tv and logging into our account. Once you've done that, go up to the top right, select your profile image, and then go down to Creator Dashboard. Once in the Creator Dashboard, make sure you have the menu open by selecting the three horizontal lines, and then go down to Preferences. In Preferences, select Channel. This will bring up the preferences for your Twitch channel. The third option down should be Store Past Broadcasts. Make sure this is toggled on so that it is purple with a white check in it. And as you can see right here, it says automatically save broadcasts for up to 14 days. If you're a partner or a Twitch Prime user, it will be 60 days. Now, there is a trick to make these permanent, and that is to turn your clip into a highlight. And to do that, all we need to do is go to the left sidebar of the Creator Dashboard, go to Content, and then go to Video Producer. This will show you all the videos on your channel, such as highlights or past broadcasts. You can see right here, I have 2 past broadcasts. All I need to do to highlight them is go select Highlight. It'll bring me to an area where I can create the highlight by simply selecting either a portion of the video or the whole video by dragging and dropping the little highlight section at the bottom to be the entire video right here. So now I've highlighted the entire video, meaning I'll permanently save my entire stream. Now I can just come up with a title, configure the game, and then right here, just select Publish Highlights. Give it a couple minutes to process the video, especially if it's a longer video. While it's doing that, you can add a thumbnail, description, just like you would on YouTube, even tags, which is good for search engines. And once it's done processing, if you've added a description or thumbnail or anything like that, simply go to Save Changes in the bottom right corner. Keep in mind, you can also download the highlight here to upload it to YouTube or something like that. One last thing before we finish the video, in the future, if you want to watch your past stream or show them to your users, all they need to do when they go to your channel is simply go to Videos, and they'll see all your recent broadcasts as well as the highlights you've created as well. All right, so that's how you save your streams on Twitch. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.